The future is now. Top 20 inventions coming soon. Yo, what's up everybody? It's Health, back with another video diving headfirst into the future. We're talking about the top 20 inventions that are about to change everything. Self-driving cars, the end of traffic. First up, we've got self-driving cars. Imagine a world with fewer accidents, smoother commutes, and optimized traffic flow. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and traditional car manufacturers are making this a reality, and it's closer than you might think. Hyperloop, travel at the speed of sound. Next up is the Hyperloop, Elon Musk's brainchild that's set to redefine high-speed travel. Companies like Virgin Hyperloop are already conducting tests using magnetic levitation and low-pressure tubes. Smart contact lenses. Augmented reality at your fingertips. Let's talk about smart contact lenses. Forget bulky VR headsets. These lenses will overlay digital information directly onto your world. Companies like Mojo Vision and Inwith Corporation are working on bringing this tech to the masses. Chapter 4. Quantum computers. The future of problem solving. Quantum computers leverage quantum mechanics to solve problems that would take classical computers billions of years. Companies like Google, IBM, and Rigetti Computing are leading the charge. Chapter 5.3. Deprinted organs, a medical revolution. Imagine a world where organ transplant waiting lists are a thing of the past. Companies like Organovo and Prellis Biologics are at the forefront of this revolution. Chapter 6. Space tourism. The final frontier is now open. With companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic making space travel commercially viable, space tourism is on the horizon. Imagine a future where weekend trips to orbit aren't out of the realm of possibility. Chapter 7. AI, personal assistants, your life simplified. We're talking about sophisticated AI that can manage your calendar, book appointments, even draft emails. Companies like Google, Amazon, and startups like X.AI are pushing the boundaries of what AI assistants can do. Chapter 8. Wireless electricity, cutting the cord, literally. Companies like Witricity and Ossia are developing technologies that can power your devices remotely. Imagine a world where you never have to plug in your phone again. Chapter 9. Vertical farming. The future of food is up. Vertical farming might just be the answer to growing food demand. Companies like AeroFarms and Plenty are at the forefront, bringing fresh, locally grown produce to urban areas. It's sustainable, efficient, and might just change the way we feed the world. Chapter 10. Smart fabrics, clothes that can do it all. Imagine clothes that can monitor your vital signs, adjust to your body temperature, or even change color on demand. Companies like Google with their Jacquard project and startups like Sensoria are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Chapter 11. Autonomous drones. The sky's the limit. We're talking about autonomous drones that can deliver packages, inspect infrastructure, even assist in search and rescue operations. Companies like Amazon, DJI, and Skydio are leading the way. Chapter 12. Brain-computer interfaces, mind-blowing technology. We're talking about technology that allows your brain to communicate directly with computers and other devices. Companies like Neuralink and Kernel are developing BCIs that could revolutionize everything from prosthetics to gaming. Imagine controlling your smartphone with your thoughts. Chapter 13. Renewable energy innovations powering a sustainable future. The future of energy is looking bright thanks to incredible innovations in renewable energy. Companies like Tesla, Vestas, and startups like Commonwealth Fusion Systems are leading the charge. Chapter 14. Advanced prosthetics, restoring mobility and independence. We're talking about highly advanced sensor-laden prosthetics that can mimic the movements and sensations of natural limbs. Companies like Ossa and Ottobock are creating prosthetics that are more intuitive, responsive, and lifelike than ever before. Title: Holographic displays stepping into the future of entertainment. Imagine experiencing 3D images and videos that you can view from any angle without the need for special glasses. Companies like Looking Glass Factory and Lightfield Lab are developing holographic displays that are so realistic, you'll feel like you can reach out and touch them. Chapter 16. Smart homes, your home connected. Smart homes are no longer a futuristic concept, they're quickly becoming the norm. Companies like Amazon, Google, and Apple are creating ecosystems of connected devices that can be controlled with your voice, your smartphone, or even your presence. Chapter 17. Biodegradable plastics, tackling the plastic problem. Biodegradable plastics are made from renewable resources like cornstarch and sugarcane. Companies like BASF and Novamont are developing biodegradable plastics that are just as strong and versatile as their traditional counterparts. Chapter 18. Personalized medicine tailoring treatment to your DNA. Personalized medicine takes into account an individual's unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environment to develop tailored treatment plans. Companies like 23andMe and Ancestry DNA are making genetic testing more accessible. Chapter 19. Flying cars. The future of transportation takes flight. Companies like Terrafugia, Aeromobile, and Hyundai are developing flying cars that can seamlessly transition from driving on roads to soaring through the air. The dream of personal air transportation is very much alive. Chapter 20. Exoskeletons, enhancing human strength and endurance. Exoskeletons are wearable robotic suits that can enhance human strength, endurance, and mobility. Companies like Sarcos Robotics and Exobionics are creating exoskeletons that can help workers lift heavy objects, reduce fatigue, and prevent injuries. Outro: the future is now, so there you have it, the top 20 future inventions that are coming soon to a world near you. Which of these inventions are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments down below, and while you're there, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos on the future of tech. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.